it is June, so let's open up our monthly essential oil recipe box from Simply Earth. Hello, I am Katie, the Crafty Blog Stalker, and if you're new to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button right there down below. And if you don't want to miss out on any of my upcoming craft tutorial videos, ring that bell. Now, before we open up our monthly essential oil recipe box, let me tell you a little bit about it. The cost of the box is $45 a month. It is a subscription and you can cancel at any time. Inside you will find 4 full-size oils, 6 recipe cards, as well as some extra goodies that you'll need to make some of those recipes. Along with the essential oil recipe box, you also get the big bonus box. Now this box comes every 6 months with your subscription and there is no additional cost. So let's see what's inside our big bonus box. When you get the big bonus box, your monthly recipe box will come tucked inside right there. And then the months when you just receive the essential oil recipe box, it'll come in its own box like this. Inside our big bonus box, we have beeswax. It is 100% pure. Whenever possible, everything from Simply Earth is 100% pure. We have coconut oil, and this is the cold pressed, so it's a thicker oil that will melt with heat. So I kind of like to think of this as shortening. It's the same consistency as shortening. Then we have almond oil and fractionated coconut oil. So this is the liquid oil, and these are both carrier oils. And then we get 6 glass amber bottles that are roll-ons, because every month we have a roll-on recipe, and 6 amber glass dropper bottles because every month we get a diffuser recipe. And right now I have a great coupon code to share with you. If you go to simplyearth.com and enter in the code THECRAFTYFREE, you will get a free $45 gift card with your first subscription box order. That means you can either buy one, get one free, or you can use that $45 gift card to purchase other supplies from their shop. And that is such a great deal. I am so excited that I can offer that to you. One last thing I want to mention before we open our box is that 13% of the profits from Simply Earth go to end human trafficking. And that isn't just on their subscription boxes, that is site-wide. And I love that that is a cause that they stand behind. All right, are we ready to break that seal? Cut it open and see what's inside. I love this part. Yay! Ooh, there's lots of goodies in there. Let's go ahead and start with our essential oils. We have bud clove, and of course I have to smell them. So, ooh, that smells really good. Not quite cinnamony, but kind of the same family. I'm really bad at explaining these, so you should really just get the subscription box yourself so you can smell them. But it's kind of like a manly scent. I really like that. And we have peppermint. Ooh, I love peppermint. Peppermint is probably one of my favorite essential oils. Oh, it just smells so good. And you can just like feel it clearing your sinuses as you smell it. Fit. Now this is an essential oil blend exclusive to Simply Earth. So every month you get at least one essential blend. That has a little bit of mint in it, but it's not overpowering. I like that. And last we have Anise Star. It's kind of like a black licorice smell, but not as strong as black licorice. All right, let's take a look at our extra goodies. We have a DIY wood bead keychain diffuser. We have a reed bouquet diffuser. Oh, I think our theme this month might be diffusers. And we have a natural solubilizer. I cannot say that. Solubilizer. Yep, that's what that is. And then this little information sheet, you will not get this, but we'll go over this in just a minute. And then for our recipes, we have spiced summer potpourri bark, almond joy roll-on blend. Ooh, that sounds amazing. Sweet mint diffuser blend, candied clove gel air freshener, blossom reed diffuser, and DIY fit diffuser keychain. Then of course we also get our stickers. I love the matching stickers. So as you can see, we'll look at our Almond Joy roll-on blend. That label is going to match the other labels perfectly. And I love that they all match. And I love that they also include the top of the bottle stickers. And those are if you keep your oils in a box. You don't have to lift each one out to see what it is. You can just read the top of the label or the top of the bottle stickers to see what you have. This little pamphlet you will get just gives some other product information of supplies that they offer. So let's go back to this sheet. I get this sheet because I am an ambassador of Simply Earth, and it just kind of goes over everything that's in the box. It does tell me the theme, which is DIY diffusers. We already figured that one out. But my favorite thing to look at is here on the back where it says the value of the box is $180.73 and you get everything for only $44.99. Isn't that such a great deal? So make sure that you go to simplyearth.com and enter in the code THECRAFTYFREE to get that free $45 gift card. And if you want free craft tutorials, make sure to check out my website, TheCraftyBlogStalker.com. Thanks everyone. Bye and happy crafting!